thought we'd start today, David, by talking about the understanding of the phrase "e pluribus unum," out of many one, that the founders would have had, what that would have meant to them, the concept, and how it informed their crafting of the Constitution and the founding documents.
E pluribus unum was something that many of the founders had reflected a great deal on. And they knew from hard-won experience just what the many meant. The many meant that there were plural viewpoints on matters of religion, on how we should structure ourselves as a polity, on the way that society should be best ordered to conduce to the common good. Think of all of the different ways that people had organized themselves throughout human history. And what the founders really had seen in their studies is that most of the regimes throughout human history had been organized according to force and accident. That is, they were organized according to not a principle, not according to reason, but according to might makes right. Their query was, can we be different? Is it possible for a nation state to be founded on the idea that all human beings are created equal and that each should enjoy liberty? That was a radical idea. And it was that brought the kind of sense of unity. Not that you would get rid of the plural viewpoints, but that you would come around enough of a common understanding of where your regime should be founded.